Hey guys, what's going on? It's TCARP. Today I want to talk about my well-used and well-loved Opinel number 8. Guys, if you don't know about these knives, they're a lot of fun. Stay with me and we'll talk about this. All right, so let's get right into this. Guys, the Opinel number 8 has been around for decades and decades and decades. I think this particular one, it's the flagship in the Opinel brand, the flagship size. There's different types of Opinels. You'll have number 1, number 2, all the way up to like number, I think even number 12 or 13. It gets pretty big. And it all goes in sizes, but the number 8 is the classic. It was originally made in 1890 by Joseph Opinel, was the inventor of this. In I can't remember what region it was in France, but made just a simple 5-component knife. It's got the handle, the shell, this little shell ring. It's got a little rivet, a rotating lock, and a blade. And it is just the simplest and most phenomenal little knife I've really ever had. Let's talk about the specs real quick. Specs, the blade length is 3.35 inches. Weight of this, 1.6 ounces. It is so lightweight. Overall length is 7 inches, and it is just a great little blade. The blade is carbon steel, and as you can see, guys, I've used this, and I use my knives. Okay, I'm a knife collector. I really do love them, but I use them, and I hope you can see on this that I have, and it has been well loved but well used. The handle is made out of beechwood, which is just a regular softwood from France. It's not bad at all, but it gives these cool little these little black spots. It just makes a really cool blade. The carbon steel on this, I believe it's a really nice high carbon steel. It's extremely easy to sharpen and very sharp. I want to show you how sharp it is right here, guys. It is just cuts right through. It is insanely sharp, but also it is, I mean, heck, let's see if we can just do that. See if you guys can see that. It cuts the hair right off there, and I mean, it's just really good little knife. The reason why I really like it, it is just the lightweightness of it, and just the simplicity of it. You know, we've got a lot of tactical folders out there, and you know, I'm one of those guys. I'll carry, you know, a Spyderco or, you know, a Ontario like Model 1, or, you know, the Delicas or whatnot. I will carry that, but at the same time, my heart yearns for simplicity, and I think that's why this has just become so popular lately. Also, the price on this thing, I mean, would you say $30, $20? It's $17, guys. You can get this thing for less than $20, and it's just such a nice little blade. I love the little ring here. I love how it has the number 8, the made in France. And let me show you how this works. It's just a folding style knife with a rivet. So it's basically, you have your blade, you fold it down like this, or you fold it up like this. Now, in 1955, they did make this little ring here, and this is a locking ring. So basically what you do, you fold this, and it locks in place. So it doesn't fold down on you, and you just slide that, and you can fold it up. And also, hey, TCARP, I don't want this, you know, folding up in my pocket. You just fold that little ring there. See how it's kind of notched out? And it's not going to open. The kind of the downsides of this, again, is it's a carbon steel blade. It will rust. Also, if you get this wet, this beechwood will swell up on you, and it will be very difficult to open this up with this little thumb insert that they have here. Overall, guys, I just really like this blade. I love the blade shape. I think the way they have it, or way they explain it, it's a Yatagan style, or Yatagan, or however you say it, but it's a Turkish saber design. It has got that little upsweep here. It's just classic to me. It's just nothing fancy whatsoever, and I just absolutely love it. What you can do with this is just a gentleman's knife. You know, again, you're not going to be super tactical with this. You'll be able to take it out in the woods, and it has become a favorite of mine while bushcrafting. If I'm going out in the woods and I need something that I can use, I take this, and it's just such a good little knife. I can skin game with it, I can fillet fish with it, and I can easily just touch it up in the field, and it's just a great little knife. The Opinel number 8, guys, if I don't cut myself, guys, go check it out. Go find one. I don't know if you can find these like at Walmart. You can definitely find them off Amazon, or at your local camping or hiking store. They will have these, and I guarantee you these will be a recommendation from the staff. Thank you all for watching. This is TCARP signing out.